Hello students, this video is for class 9th. Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is force and laws of motion. And the first topic that we are going to cover is force. So firstly we will learn what is force. According to the definition, a push or pull applied on a body is called force. Now the question arises, do we have some examples by which we can understand this quantity force? So I have some examples for you. Whenever you open the door or close the door, then in that case we apply force. Second example we have, when a cricket player hit the ball by the bat, then in that case cricket player apply force. A footballer kick the football, then again a force applying there. Whenever a weightlifter lift the weight in upward direction, then again he applying force there. Another one we have, whenever we hit the nail on the wall, then the nail start entering into the wall by the help of hammer force. So we have so many examples by which we can understand this property force. I hope you got all my points. If you have any unique example, then please do comment us. Now we will talk about the quantity of force. Force is a vector quantity. Vector quantity means a quantity which have magnitude and direction both. Magnitude simply means a number, a numerical digit. Suppose we have a box over here and we are applying a force, and students, the unit of force is Newton. Whenever we apply force, then the magnitude of force measured always in Newton. Suppose we have this box and a force of 5 Newton acting on the box, by which the box start moving in forward direction. So in that case you can notice we have magnitude, a numerical digit, and a fixed direction. So we put the quantity force into the list of vector. Vector simply means if we have these two, then the quantity is called vector. And unit I have told you, the unit is Newton. Now we will understand effects of force. So first point we have, force can, the first point we have, force can stop a moving body. Now the question arises, how force can stop a moving body? So again in cricket game, whenever you catch the ball, then what you do? You are stopping that ball by your hands. So in that example, you are doing this activity. Your force is stopping a moving ball. Second effect we have, force can, whenever force acts on the body, then the speed of the body changes. Now we will understand this with the help of example. Suppose I throw a ball towards you with the minimum speed, and what you do? You hit the ball with the maximum speed. So in that case, your force changing the speed of the ball. Now the third one we have, whenever force act on the body, then that force can move a stationary body. For example, initially the football is on the ground at rest position, and if you kick that football, then you can observe the football start moving. So at that point what you do? You simply change the state. Initially football is at rest. After the force you can see the football is in motion. In that example, your force moving a stationary body. Now the fourth one we have, with the help of force we can change the shape of body. I will tell you the example. As you can see this paper, if I want to change the shape of this paper, then what I do? I simply crumble it. Now you can see the paper shape has been changed. So this is only possible when a force acts. Whenever we brush the teeth, then at that time what you do? You simply put the toothpaste on the brush, and the shape of the toothpaste start changing when you press it. So in that case your force changing the shape. Furthermore we have, whenever we press the balloon from both the direction, then you can observe the balloon changing its shape. Whenever force act on the body, then that force able to change the direction. Now the example is when we play badminton, then in that game you know the shuttle move back and forth. The opponent hit the shuttle, then what I do? I simply hit the same shuttle with a force, then the shuttle changes its direction. So in that example you easily observe the force changing the direction of a shuttle. So a lot of example we have. So this is all about force. I hope you got all my points related to this topic. So thank you for today's class.